Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a quick and easy tutorial for all you Galaxy Z Flip 5 users out there. We're going to show you how to enable the accidental touch protection feature on your device. This feature is a lifesaver as it protects your phone from accidental touches when it's inside your bag, pocket, or any dark places. Let's get started. To begin, go to the Home or Apps screen and then tap on the gear icon to launch the Settings app. In the Settings menu, find and then tap on Display. Scroll down to the Find Accidental Touch Protection option and then toggle to turn on the switch next to it. Doing so enables the accidental touch protection feature on your phone. Enabling this feature will protect your phone from accidental touches when it's inside your bag, pocket, or in any dark places. And that's it. A simple step to give your Galaxy Z Flip 5 an extra layer of protection. Remember, enabling this feature can save you from unwanted actions caused by accidental touches. So, don't forget to turn it on and keep your phone safe. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.